Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto fettuccine. First, let's prepare the star of our dish, fresh pesto. You'll need vibrant basil, toasted pine nuts, a couple of garlic cloves, grated Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil. Blending these ingredients in a food processor creates a rich, aromatic sauce. Remember to toast your pine nuts gently for an extra layer of nutty flavor. This homemade pesto will elevate your pasta to a new level of deliciousness. Now, let's get the fettuccine ready. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, ensuring it's generously salted. This seasons the pasta from the inside out. Add your fettuccine and cook it according to the package instructions, aiming for that perfect al dente texture. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient for achieving a silky, emulsified sauce later on. With your pesto and pasta ready, it's time to bring them together. Transfer the hot, drained fettuccine to a large bowl. Add your freshly made pesto and toss everything gently until the pasta is evenly coated. If the sauce seems a bit thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water, a tablespoon at a time, until you reach a smooth, creamy consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan and a few fresh basil leaves. This classic pesto fettuccine is wonderful on its own, but feel free to customize it. You can easily add grilled chicken or sautéed shrimp for a more substantial meal. For extra vegetables, consider tossing in some halved cherry tomatoes or fresh spinach leaves right before serving. These additions bring new textures and flavors to your dish. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your delicious homemade pesto fettuccine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.